On behalf of VS College of Pharmacy, I am Mrs. Vidhi Bhatia. Welcome you all in our Vescov family. I'm Module Coordinator of Department of Pharmacognosy and also approved MPharm Guide in Quality Assurance and Pharmacognosy. My key research area is herbal research, which is very much demanding area nowadays, as it is estimated that the total value of world's market for herbal products stands at around $83 billion. And it is anticipated that in the coming years, there will be huge global market for herbal products. As we all know that India is a very rich heritage of medicinal plants, and there are around 20,000 medicinal plants which have been recorded. Study of these drugs with commercialization perspective becomes a need of the hour, which requires extensive research in this field. Although India has been successful in promoting its therapies with more research and science-based approach, it still needs more extensive research and evidence base. Unfortunately, due to the lack of scientific research and validation in various concepts of our traditional knowledge, it is difficult to just get the acknowledgement in the global market. So it is really needed for global recognition and acceptance of our traditional system to do the research in this field of Ayurvedic and herbal. Just give me a minute. I'll just share the screen to highlight the key research areas of Pharmacognosy department. So Department of Pharmacognosy, we have two members in this department. First, myself, Mrs. Vidhi Bhatia. I have got the 12 years of academic experience and 8 years of experience in R&D in industry. I have guided 60 MPharm students, and I have published various papers in national and international journals. Around 11 papers are published. And I have fetched the research grant from Mumbai University for my 4 research projects worth rupees 1 lakh. I have also received the grants from industry for the formulation development, for the development of formulation for the treatment of dengue, and also Isabgol formulation from the industry at rupees 2 to 3 lakhs. My key research areas are design, development, and evaluation of novel herbal formulations. Now here my students have developed various formulations for dengue, asthma, acne, anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, for diabetes and osteoarthritis. It includes traditional as well as the novel drug delivery systems. And the second core area is design and development of herbal formulation and its standardization, since we all know that there is lack in the standardization of the natural products. And the third research key area is development and evaluation of standardized herbal extracts. The second member in the Department of Pharmacognosy and also approved guide in quality assurance is Mr. Keyur Shastri. Sir is having 13 years of academic experience. He has got 20 publications in various national and international journals. Sir has fetched 4 minor research grants from University of Mumbai worth rupees 85,000. The key research areas of Shastri sir. The key research areas are development of Ayurvedic formulations and its standardization, and also herbal formulation development and standardization. Thank you.